Hi, this is Dr. Adarsh Gupta, and in today's episode, we're going to show you how to use FatSecret app if you want to cook something from a recipes. People typically eat three ways. In this first episode, we're going to show you if you're going to be making something from a recipe, how do we control the calories. So you go into recipes section. Once you're there, you look for high protein recipes. Then only those shows up. There we go. So we have many options. So we pick, let's say, chicken potato dinner. This recipe makes for 4 people, 4 servings, and each serving will give you 350 calories and 42 grams of protein. Our goal typically is to have at least 20 grams of protein per meal and not more than 350 calories. So this fits. So that's a good option. You can make it and eat 4 different times, or 4-person can eat the same time. Let's look at different recipe. Boiled salmon with asparagus. And this recipe makes for 1 person. And this recipe has 453 calories and 42 grams of protein. Seems like slightly more than we want, but what we can do is we will not eat the whole thing. If we eat only 3/4 of the serving, then it's okay. You still get 31 grams of protein and not more than 350 calories. So that's a good option for a meal. So this way, you can use this app to find out which food item that you like, that you can cook, so that you can stay in your calorie range and protein range. Now, next episode, we're going to focus on other 2 ways people eat food. That is when you're going to be preparing something or when you eat out. See you next time. This is Dr. Gupta. Talk to you later.